Hi, I'm Kevin and I'm here to talk about Stunner's new AAV quant application. It gets you answers on full capsid titer, total capsid titer, empty-full ratio, and aggregation in only minutes with just 2 microliters of sample. Let's go take a look. Here we have Stunner's plate. It uses 2 microliters of sample to give you answers on UV-Vis and DLS information for up to 96 samples at a time. Loading it's pretty easy because we just simply pipe it in 2 microliters of sample. Like that, and you're done. Let's take this over to the Stunner. Now that we've got our plate, we're going to set up our run on Stunner. To set up a run on Stunner, first we go to the Viruses menu and select AAV Quant. Pick a Stunner plate and we're ready to go. On the Stunner software, we can choose to populate each well manually and tell it that we have a buffer and 3 samples, or we can simply import from Excel. With just a couple of clicks, we're pulling in all the information we need from an Excel file. You can choose any of a number of analytes depending on what your sample is. All Stunner really needs to know is the amino acid sequence, but if you're using a naturally occurring serotype, great. And we're ready to go. Now it's time to load the plate into the Stunner. So now Stunner's going to gather all that data in about 45 seconds per sample. So now Stunner's done, let's take a look at the results. So here are the results on Stunner. First, let's go check out the empty-full results and see if results match up to our expectations. Let's first check out the 75% full sample and see if that matched up to what we thought. We can see that results show that 72% of this sample was full, which is pretty close to our expectation. And if we switch over and look at titers, we can see the total capsid titer, the full capsid titer, and how much free and aggregated DNA and protein is present in the sample. Taking a look at the DLS result, we see that all of the sample was nice monodispersed capsids. If we check out the empty capsids, again we get nice monodispersed capsids and a lot of empty capsids showing only DNA present in the sample. Popping over to the aggregated sample, we can see with the DLS results that a lot of the sample was present as aggregates. Let's look at the data on Stunner. So thanks for checking out Stunner's AAV Quant application. Please reach out if you're interested in learning more or interested in a demo.